today's topic, we're going to talk about institutionalism. Institutionalism is an economic school of thought that emphasizes the role of social institutions in influencing economic behavior. And there are seven concepts of this institutionalism. First one is the old institutionalism. Second is the new institutionalism. Third is the institutional economics. Fourth is new institutional economics. Fifth is the historical institutionalism. Sixth is the institutionalism in political parties. The last but not the least is the institutionalism in international relations. Now, this is the seven concepts of the institutionalism. Now, let's proceed to their individual definitions. Okay, first one is the old institutionalism. So, what is the old institutionalism? It is an approach, the study of politics, that focuses on formal institutions of the government. So, this is the deeper and the more resilient aspect of social structure. It is considered the processes by which structures, including schemes, norms, and routines, become established as an authoritative guidelines for social behavior. Second is the new institutionalism. So, this is the social theory that focuses more on developing a sociological view, which is the institutions and how they interact and affect of the institutions on society. And it focuses more on the sociological view of institution and how they interact and the way that affects society, which provides the viewing of institutions outside of the traditional views of economics by explaining why and how the institution emerge of a certain way within a given context. Third is the institutional economics. So it focuses on understanding the role of the evolutionary process and the role of institutions in shaping economic behavior. So it's originally focused in later Stein's Veblen's instinct-oriented dichotomy between technology on the one side and the ceremonious sphere of society on the other. Fourth is the new institutional economics. So this is the economic perspective that attempts to extend economics by focusing on the social and legal norms and rules, which is its underlying economic activity with analysis beyond earlier institutional economics and neoclassical economics. Fourth is historical institutionalism. So this is the new institutionalist social science method that uses institutions to find sequences of social, political, economic behavior and changes across time. So this is a comparative approach to the study of all aspects of human organizations and does by relying heavily on case studies. Okay, party institutionalism deals with the study of the political parties as having some capacities for adaptation, but also sees them as being prisoners for their own history as an institution, and the ideology that a party had when it was founded persists even though the conditions and the party base in society have changed. The last one is institutionalism of international relations. In international relations, it deals with a group of differing theories on international relations, functionalist and neo-functionalist approaches, regime theory, and state cartel theory, have in common their focuses on the role of formal and informal rules, norms, practices, and conventions for international politics. That is the end of my podcast. Thank you for listening.